So this is how it looks. I got the washer here and the 10mm thread here and 6mm here. And now, of course, I need some knobs for this. So I'm planning to do the knobs out of this piece of aluminium. I will start with turning this down to 30mm diameter. I will try to make a little deeper cut. Try 3mm. Well, that went all right. Why not try 4mm? That went all right too. Let's see what we got. Right on the money. I will now turn down this part down to 15mm diameter, and the length will be 10mm. So here we go again. And now I will make a cut here, but I will not cut this off yet. And now it's time to do some knurling on this. Well, I think that's good enough. And here we have it. Here you can see the 3 knobs, and they look like this. I think they're gonna work quite alright. Today we had a very nice weather, sunny and 17 degrees Celsius, so I took my bike and ride to the town of Västerås and went to Kullager service and bought 3 new roller bearings. And these are metal shield on. I think it's better than these ones. And one thing more, these bearings are a much higher quality. They're made by FAG and made in Japan actually. So the thing is now, how shall I mount these bearings to these hexagons? That's the next thing I must solve in some way. We'll see what I come up with. Time for some changes. I don't really like this loose fitting of these threaded hexagons, so I think I will skip them. And instead I will be using this square rod or bar or whatever you want to call it. There will be some more work, of course. This is the wrong diameter, so I have to mill this down to the right size and the right length, of course. And then I must mount this in my forejaw and dial it in and drill a hole in the center and thread it M10. So that's my plan. And skip these ones. So let's see how it goes. Okay, time to mill down this square stock to 16 millimeters. I have now dialed in this square stock and we'll see. Pretty good there. We seal this one out. And the last one. I think it's pretty good. Good enough for this anyway. Okay, now I will drill this to first 5.5 millimeters and then 8.5, and then it will be threaded with M10. $57. Okay. We reached the bottom of the hole. I guess it's time for some threading then. M10. I think it's gonna take a while. I do it off camera. And here we have the threaded square bar, and there will be 2 more to do. As you can see, I have already drilled a 7mm hole here, and the next operation will be to mill a slot here that is 6mm wide and 19mm deep. And I'm going to use this slitting saw that is 3mm thick, and I'm going to make 2 passes. 1 passes in and then raise the table 3mm and another pass in, so I get 6mm wide slot.